Hi, my name is Laura. I'm with Weeby Cleaners from Park City, Utah. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to clean mini blinds. The materials that you're going to need is a dry rag, a wet rag. There's a tool such as this available. And then I like to use a diluted version of a facial cleansing product. Okay, first what I like to do is just fill up a sink with a little bit of my diluted skincare product. Take my wet rag, get it wet, wring it out. What I like to do, if it's a really dirty blind, I may just use this blind cleaner first just to dust this off. Then I'll take my wet rag that's not real wet and I will go over the blind with both hands. And I go all the way through. I keep the blind open and I get both sides at the same time. And if it's a really wet, damp cloth, then I like to dry it off. But sometimes they'll just dry themselves. And that is how you clean mini blinds. Thanks for checking in.